Today we'll talk about the national bird of Uganda, the gray-crowned crane. In the expansive savannas of Uganda, the gray-crowned crane roams freely, its elegant silhouette blending harmoniously with the golden hues of the grasslands. These birds partake in a fantastic mating ritual, where they perform intricate dances, leaping and bowing with unmatched precision and grace. Nestled amidst the tranquil reed beds near Uganda's rivers and wetlands, the gray-crowned crane carefully tends to its nest, a testament to its dedication to ensuring the survival of the species.